You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is Odd. Welcome back. Hi. Vivian. So, I'm starting the vlog at the dome. So my cousin and I, Emma and I, are at the dome and we're about to go. So I'm very excited. She's better than I am, but I probably will just for
Then I woke myself up, painted the scene they got my queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she rolls something that stink good, feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas a size 9. Somehow we'll be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really be buttering up the
Hey guys, so yeah, I'm done making my hair, and as you can see, well, you can't really see, but I'm currently at Thomas and Ray Whiskey Bar, I believe, at the Transcorp Hilton, same place where we have the Play Club here at the Hilton as well. So I'm here for ThePlayWoman, hosted by Okezie, and she's so busy, so getting her to speak it's going to be a bit of a chore, but I'll try to see if I can get her to give you guys a more detailed explanation. I think the event is just a networking event and like an introduction into what to expect if you sign up to be a PlayWoman. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully, I stay here till the end because I have to be somewhere else in like an hour. So hopefully in an hour they're able to tell us what to expect and all of that good stuff. I want to show you guys my outfit. Let me see if I can show you guys in the restroom. I have no one to hold the camera for me, so I had a bit of a wardrobe malfunction this evening, but I was able to come up with this and I really like the way it turned out. Let me step back so you guys can see. And from the side you can see, so I'm wearing a bodycon dress. This is the black dress, and then I just paired it with this beautiful kimono. Guess who gifted me this, guys? Guess! So Wani got me this really cute kimono and I love it. Like, just look at her. I actually wish I had someone to hold the camera. In fact, let me just set it up here. Love this belt. I got it from the market. I think we say market, if I can remember. My earrings are from a brand called Bijou. I'll leave it on the screen. And then I think the bodycon dress is from, I think my bodycon dress is from ASOS. No, not ASOS, from Boohoo rather. So yeah, if I can still find the link, I'll link it down, because I got it in my first year or second year of uni. So yeah, I've had it for a while now. Just look at me. Right now, I'm going to see if I can get someone to take a full picture of me, because I cannot allow this slate to waste. I can't do it to myself. So let me see if I can get Indiana to take a full picture of me.
Coming up with a Play Foundation. We also want to provide mentorship opportunities, DNA lifestyle offers, you know, travel destinations, retreats. Like, I just got back from a girls trip from Dubai, and it was just like the best thing I've ever done. That was my first girls trip, by the way.
Sick. I doubt you guys will be getting a full vlog today, but I have a photo shoot tomorrow. Call time is 8 a.m. but with the way I'm feeling, guys, like, I'm praying that I feel much better, because I don't want to cancel. I will feel really bad if I end up canceling. I'm going to be, if I make it to the shoot tomorrow, I think I will push myself. I would vlog, you know, I'll vlog tomorrow and include it to this weekend's vlog, because this vlog is supposed to be like a weekend vlog. So I would include that just to make up for, you know, today. But yeah, I'm trying to open up more and bring you guys closer, hence why I just picked up the camera to vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So we're here, so pretty. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, I love this place.
desperately.